Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find Metapixel ID in Business Manager. First you need to search for Business Manager. Click on Meta Business Suite. So we are going to click on Ads Manager and Account Overview. Now we have to click on Event Manager. Here we are. Let's connect data. Web. Next. Select a dataset. Next. Set up manually. Metapixel only. Select done. Wait for the page to be loaded. So here we are at the data source tab right now. So data sources are like the collection of pixel IDs that are being created on your Facebook page. So it is actually the bridge between Facebook page and your website's data collection. So let's actually click on settings, and here we are. We just have find out our pixel ID for this page. Thank you for watching my video.